My name is Jason Siebold, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to say, but I've been following Ann for a decade now, probably, and you know, through really working to try to make money, you know, try to make a profit, just spinning my wheels year after year after year, and this last, you know, nothing's ever really worked that well for me. I've made money here and there, and just last year I was telling Ann I invested some money to start e-commerce. I was like, oh, I want to do some e-commerce, right? So I found this guy, he had some like reviews online, so I gave him $1,200, right? So it turns out he was a scam. And I like to think of myself as a very savvy shopper. Like, I research and I really look into things, right? Which I did, but this guy was just that good. He was really good. He got me good. Apparently, I wasn't the only one. And so there was a lot of people. I just found this out about 3 weeks ago. There was a lot of people that this guy scammed. And so I gotta say, you know, through this whole experience, like after that happened, I was thinking to myself, like, I need to do something else. I need to do something, get into e-commerce, right? So who do I trust more than anybody else when it comes to e-commerce? I had been seeing Ann's emails for years now in regards to e-commerce. And I would read a little bit here and there, but I really didn't like read exactly what was going on until last year. After this happened, this guy took my money. I was like, okay, I need to look into this a little bit further because I trust her, and I know that wherever she goes, I want to go there, right? And you know, I plugged in, and the first program that I did was the book flipping. And I was just telling Ann today, I was like, you know, I tried it like 2 years ago. I didn't really follow the instructions because I was like scattered all over the place. About a few months ago, I sat down and I marked up that, I printed out the book flipping command system book. I marked it, I have it with me. I have it, it's dog-eared, it has like, I mean, I told myself, I'm going to follow this to a T. I am going to do this exactly how I'm told, and I'm not going to stray, right? And I know that if I do that, I will get there. I will see something come back to me, right? Because I know that the trainings that Ann and her team have created are exactly what I need, exactly what we all need. And so I'm really grateful for you and for your entire team, and I'm so glad that I finally like read your email, which I should have been doing all along.